You need the right tools to install a quiet motion sensor bathroom exhaust fan safely and cleanly. Start by confirming power is off at the breaker using a non-contact voltage detector. Then remove the old fan housing with a screwdriver and channel lock pliers for stubborn duct connections and clamps. Measure the ceiling opening and use a keyhole saw for precise cuts if you need to enlarge the hole, and a box knife to cleanly score drywall edges so the new housing sits flush. Prepare electrical connections with Wago wire connectors, stripping insulation to the manufacturer's specified length and twisting conductors only when required, then securing them in the connectors. Wrap any exposed splices with insulation tape for extra protection. For duct attachment, use a hose clamp to seal the flex duct to the fan collar. Then support the duct run with cable ties every few feet so it does not sag and restrict airflow. If the new fan requires a support frame, cut a 2x4 support timber to fit between joists and fasten with drywall screws so the vibration-isolated housing has a solid mount point, and avoid over-tightening screws into plastic mounting tabs to prevent cracking. Verify the motion sensor function by restoring power and walking through angles and distances specified in the fan manual, and adjust sensitivity or timer settings per the manufacturer directions to balance responsiveness and runtime. Common mistakes include failing to confirm power off, which risks shock and damaged components. Always test with a non-contact voltage detector at the switch and at the fan wires before touching anything. Another issue is poor duct sealing that causes noise and reduced performance. Use a hose clamp and wrap connections with insulation tape and support the duct with cable ties so airflow is straight and unobstructed. A third frequent problem is inadequate structural support leading to vibration and noise. Build a 2x4 support timber between joists and use drywall screws into framing rather than only into drywall to hold the fan steady. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options relevant to bathroom exhaust fan upgrades and installations. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, tool lists, and real-world installation advice.